Rob Clapper with Bradley Corporation. I'm going to show you the proper method of refilling our 6324 series deck mounted manual soap dispenser. Here's a sample of the unit here. You can see the bottle, which is hidden underneath the countertop. The right way to fill it is from the top. The easiest way, the way to do it is just loosen the nut on the top of the unit, unthread it, and pull the entire valve assembly out. Then you just pour the liquid soap inside. You make sure you don't put in too much because you have to allow some room for the dip tube. Reassemble it. It is oriented. There's a notch in the back here and there's a screw here that keeps the spout oriented in the right direction. That keeps the user from facing it the other direction and putting soap on the countertop. So you just rethread this back in, tighten it with the spanner wrench, and you're done. There's instructions down here showing specifically do not fill from the bottom, do not fill the tube or the bottle. It tends to damage the unit, so just leave this alone. It says fill from top, so please follow the instructions. You'll have no problem with the unit.